friends, welcome to the Smoothie Quiz, where you reveal your surprises for fun. Blue and purple. Choosing and exiting gifts give your 5 seconds and guess the exiting surprises. Before starting the video, make sure hit the subscribe. So, get ready to fun. Will you make the right choice? If a 2 hearts, if you decide. Once chosen, there is no going back. It is your shining gift for you. Choose your button. Which is your favorite color? Choose one gift for yourself and one of your friend. It's not easy. Find the emoji difference. Your time is less difficulty challenge.
Wow!
It's a correct. Your loveliest gift, open the dream plans. Trust your instinct and see your catchy gift. Almost there. Don't stop now. Which side is calling to you? Which color customize first? Be careful, one of 3 color is a trap. Almost there. Don't stop now. Which side is calling to you? Final choice. Pick your favorite color. Very, very big thankful to fun with me. Pick your next challenge. Come with me. Next challenge, comment this below.